Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you collecting different kinds of bird baths which are made by Achla because you have a big garden? If you're looking for a beautifully made bird bath, then the Glossy Enamel Bird Bath Red compatible with Achla Twist Stakes will be the answer for you. This bird bath comes in glossy red enamel color, which will transform your garden into a haven for birds. The finish of the bird bath is in glossy enamel, which will attract not only lovely birds but your friends as well. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 5 by 16 by 16. Weight is 3 pounds. This is ideal for your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. You can further customize this item since this bird bath is compatible with Achla Twist Stakes, which is not included with this product. So what are you waiting for? Buy the Glossy Enamel Bird Bath Red compatible with Achla Twist Stakes today at a very affordable price, and see to it that every beautiful bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.